Travel is more than checking places off a list. It's a journey that can change your life. When I step into a new country, I'm not just seeing new sights. I'm opening my mind, challenging what I know, and learning from people whose lives are totally different from mine. Exploring new places broadens your horizons in ways you can't imagine. You discover hidden gems tucked away from tourists, like a quiet street in Paris or a bustling market in Marrakesh. You try foods you can't pronounce, you stumble through new languages, and sometimes you make lifelong friends over a cup of coffee. But travel isn't just about adventure, it's good for your soul. Whether you're hiking through mountains or wandering ancient streets, you feel the stress melt away. Science even says travel can boost your mood and help you grow as a person. So how do you get started? First tip: plan smart. Start with a destination that excites you. Research the best times to go and look for cheap flights using apps and flexible dates. Make a simple itinerary, but leave room for surprises. Sometimes the unplanned moments are the best part. Next, budgeting. Set a spending limit before you leave and track your expenses as you go. Look for free walking tours, eat where the locals eat, and use public transportation. It's often cheaper and way more authentic. And here's a big one. Respect local cultures. Learn a few words in the local language. It goes a long way. Dress appropriately for the place you're visiting, and always ask before taking photos of people or sacred sites. Be curious, but stay humble. The world is full of different traditions. Embrace them. Remember, every trip, big or small, is a chance to see the world with new eyes. Travel reminds me that my way isn't the only way, and that's the beauty of it. So pack your bag, follow your curiosity, and go explore. Because at the end of the day, the world feels a lot smaller and a lot friendlier when you see it for yourself. Thanks for coming along. Where will you go next?